Welcome back to this Fantaskool staff training tutorial. In this video, we will guide you step by step through the process of recording student attendance using the Fantaskool system. Let's begin. To record attendance, teachers must first log in to their Fantaskool account. Once successfully logged in, they will access their main dashboard. From there, click on the Record Attendance button. A new attendance interface will open automatically. In this interface, the teacher will first select the appropriate class and section for which attendance needs to be recorded. Next, choose the relevant period. Attendance can be marked for the full day, the morning session, the afternoon session, or per lesson, depending on the subject schedule. After making these selections, the list of students in the chosen class and section will appear on the screen. For each student, the teacher can mark one of the following attendance statuses: present, absent, late, excused. Once all students have been marked, click Save. The system also features automatic saving to ensure that no data is lost during the process. An important feature of Fantaskool is its offline capability. Teachers can record attendance even without an internet connection. Once the device reconnects to the internet, the system will automatically synchronize and update all attendance records. Fantaskool makes attendance tracking simple, reliable, and flexible, supporting teachers both online and offline. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Stay connected for more Fantaskool training sessions.